How to change notification sound on Instagram. In today's video, I'll share with you step by step on how to change notification sound on Instagram. After you open up your Instagram app like this, now go to your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile app like this, now tap on this as you can see now menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this notification section. If you tap on this notification section, as you can see now it gives you different options. As you can see now, the first one, it says push notifications. If you scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, you can be able to see all different notifications on Instagram, on your Instagram account. So to change the notification sound on Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see now, it says this email notifications or this messages notification. So I will start with this messages notification, this one. So if you tap on this messages notification, as you can see now you can be able to see, as you can see now, message request. As you can see now, it has its own, as you can see now, a message that Instagram used to send you. All these are different notifications that Instagram used to send you on Instagram. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this section which says additional option in system setting, this one, the last one. So after you open up this additional setting in system setting, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down. Here, as you can see now, here all are the notifications that Instagram used to send you. The first one, it says, as you can see now, banner. As you can see now, you see all these are different notifications. So if you scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, you can be able to tap on this last option which says additional setting in app, this one. So if you tap on this additional setting in app, as you can see now, it will take you back to your, as you can see now, push notifications. As you can see now, this option means that there is no option for you to change your notifications on Instagram currently. You cannot change your notification sound on Instagram. The option now is not existing. You must wait just to Instagram to update or to add such features on Instagram before you can be able to do it. That's it, guys. Hope this information helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.